Meditation is a naturally occurring rest state combined with awareness. It's instinctive. Everyone can do it. In our life, we rotate and flow between three basic states of consciousness. We're awake, and then we get tired and we fall asleep and we dream. So these three states of waking, sleeping, and dreaming are the fundamental rhythm and flow of consciousness. Meditation is a combination of waking, sleeping, and dreaming, and something more. On a physical basis, when we meditate, what happens is that the body can enter a state of restfulness and relaxation that's deeper than deep sleep. And it does this in about 3 to 5 minutes. So it's clear that nature has installed this ability that we call meditation as a way of quickly recovering from exhaustion and the stress of life and getting back into our game. And we give this time, or we invest it, because we get more in return. The reason to meditate is because it enhances our waking, sleeping, and dreaming, and what we want to get out of those states. And this is also the challenge of meditation, learning to handle the intensity of relaxation, resting, and repair work that goes on.